Loud noises can actually burst your eardrum. The eardrum is a thin membrane that vibrates to send sound from your outer ear to your inner ear. When exposed to extremely loud sounds, the pressure from these noises can become too much for the eardrum. When the sound waves are too intense, they create high pressure that pushes against the eardrum. This force can stretch and tear the membrane, leading to a rupture. A burst eardrum can cause sudden hearing loss, pain, and even increase the risk of infection since the protective barrier is damaged. If you experience sharp pain or sudden hearing loss after a loud noise, it's important to get medical help. Most eardrum ruptures heal on their own, but proper treatment can help you recover faster and avoid complications. Want to protect your hearing? Share this video to learn how loud noises can damage your eardrums and how to stay safe.